Is there anything that you sometimes put off? Hi everyone!
Hi.
Today we are going to have some practice with the verbs to put and to take. We are going to ask each other a few questions and answer them. As always, you can read the text in the PDF, which you can find in the description. Follow our podcasts on Yandex Music and iTunes. For more new dialogues, subscribe to our channel. As a rule, we use the verbs when we put something on and then take it off. Speaking of clothes, or you can put something on the table and then take it. However, there are a lot of other phrasal verbs that can be pretty useful for a conversation. So let's get to the questions.
So, Renat, when was the last time you took something apart?
Okay.
What was it, and how old were you?
It was a few days ago. I had to take my laptop apart to do some cleaning. I've done it successfully.
Good for you. When did you last have to take back something you had said?
I can hardly remember a situation like that. I think it was a long time ago.
Okay. Have you ever taken something back to a shop? What was it and why?
Yes, I have. Last year I bought a coffee machine that didn't work well. I had to take it back to the shop within 2 weeks. I did so and they gave me another one by warranty. I was absolutely happy.
Oh, I can imagine. Can you tell us a time when you had to take on new responsibilities in your job or family?
Yeah, I usually take on new responsibilities when my boss is on holiday.
Oh, okay. Yes.
I am always taking over while he's away.
Yeah, I know. Okay. What was the last hobby you took up?
The last hobby I took up was learning languages.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I still keep learning them. It's really interesting for me.
Okay. When were you last taken out? By who?
I'm a guy, so I'm supposed to take someone out.
Okay.
Yeah, the last girl I took out was you, of course.
Okay. Do you take after anyone else in your family?
Yeah, I think I took pretty much after my grandfather.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, our characters are so similar sometimes. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Right.
When did you last have a takeaway? What did you have?
My last takeaway was burgers with fries in some restaurant. I think it's very convenient to take food away when you don't have enough time.
Oh, okay. When you were a child, was anything ever taken away from you? What was it and why?
I remember mom was taking my video games away when I played too much,
Oh, yeah.
but it was not so often.
Okay.
Anna, do you often get told off for not putting things away?
I think it's more about kids.
Right.
Some of them don't put away their toys after playing.
Right, yeah. Do you know anyone that has been put away? What did they do?
No, I don't know people that have been put away.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Have you ever put anyone down or has someone put you down? Why?
No, I haven't. I think it's really rude to put someone down.
Yeah, absolutely. Right. Is there anything that you sometimes put off?
Yes, of course. I often put off my visits to the dentist.
Right.
I know that it's not very good, but there is nothing I can do with myself.
Okay. Who do you have the most difficulty putting up with?
I'm a friendly person.
Yeah.
And I don't like to quarrel with anyone.
Okay.
So I don't know such people.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
When was the last time you put somebody up?
I think I have never put anyone up, you know.
Okay. Yeah, you're a good person.
Yeah.
Do you often put on special clothes to go out?
Yes, I do. I like looking good
Of course.
and combining different styles, brands, and colors, you know.
Right. Have you ever put on a play, a show, or concert, or know anyone who has?
My friend puts on a dance show sometimes.
Okay.
They dance tango and like such performances.
Right. When was the last time you put someone on? Did they find it funny?
In childhood, I used to put my brother on.
Okay.
It was funny and we were laughing a lot.
Okay. So guys, thank you very much for watching. That was a little practice of the verbs to put and to take. If you like the video, don't forget to like it of course and follow our channel. Thank you very much once again and see you later. Bye!
Bye!